Haiti itself teetering on the edge of a cliff, desperately in need of our help. But how can we make a lasting impact? The answer lies in our system. Ayisyen Otantik, a powerful by invitation-only social platform, is here to show us the way. Can we truly transform Haiti without first organizing ourselves? Ayisyen Otantik is the platform built to bring us together, to unite our collective strength for a better Haiti. Imagine a web of interconnectedness, like a matrix, where every voice counts, and no one bears the burden alone. Ayisyen Otantik's matrix system ensures that each member is connected, allowing us to share the load and maximize our impact. Will you be the one to take action? When you join Ayisyen Otantik, you commit to inviting only 4 individuals from your sphere of influence, those who share a genuine passion for Haiti. Together, we can multiply our efforts and create a network of 1 million authentications in just 1 month, all dedicated to building a better Haiti. Can you envision the power of 1 million committed voices? An organized diaspora is Haiti's final hope, and with Ayisyen Otantik, we can make it a reality, uniting our strength and determination. But how does becoming a member of Ayisyen Otantik truly help Haiti? The answer awaits in our next video, where we'll unveil how our collective strength generates millions each month, enabling us to develop mega projects that will create thousands of jobs across all 10 departments of Haiti. Can you imagine a Haiti where dreams become reality? Ayisyen Otantik empowers us to use our collective strength to build a better future: schools, hospitals, infrastructure, and more, all without relying on donations from our members. Are you ready to make history? Join Ayisyen Otantik today and be a part of the movement that transforms Haiti's destiny. Together, we have the power to create a prosperous nation, where the potential of every Haitian is unleashed. Ayisyen Otantik, uniting Haiti, empowering our people. Step forward and be the catalyst for Haiti's resurgence.